Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 9th, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As you know that we have been discussing since last 2 days, 1 day or 2 day, I think, one of the topics of your English book, that is basically a play drama, The Tempest First, written by William Shakespeare, a great English writer and dramatist of the India of the world. सॉरी. अभी तक आपने देख लिया कि इसमें जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं, प्रॉस्पिरो है, उसकी बेटी है, खूबसूरत बेटी है मिरांडा, उनका एक कैलिबान उनका नौकर जो होता है, और दूसरा नौकर एरियल जो बेसिकली एक सिपरेट है, और साइकोरेक्स जो एक जादूगरनी है, वो कैलिबान की माँ होती है. एंड ही हैज़ imprisoned Ariel in the heart of a pine tree. Later, you came to know that the Prospero who has come to the island, when he reached the island, he found him and released him. And this Ariel became his faithful servant. And one day, Prospero told his servant Ariel that he has to raise the tempest in the sea, and he raised the tempest, violent storm. And his daughter, when he saw through the window that the ship is struggling in the criminal waves of the storm, he told her father that if he has raised this tempest, so he should put an end to that, so that the sailors will not drown. And her father told her that he should not be afraid for that, he should not be so sad for that. And he told her that nobody will be pursued, nobody will be destroyed, everything will be okay. And as far as the storm is concerned, Prospero had raised this tempest for the sake of her daughter. So today we will see the next. Now for the first time, Prospero told Miranda the strange story of her life. Now this is the time when Prospero is telling truth, the strange story, a peculiar story. Strange means peculiar, अनोखी कहानी, यानी उसकी ज़िंदगी की एक अजीब गरीब कहानी वो उसको सुना रहा है. 12 years ago, he said, I was Duke of Milan. Prospero told his daughter, my dear daughter, 12 years before, ago means before, ago, ago means before. 12 years before, Prospero was the king of Milan. Duke means king, king of Milan. Milan is the name of place. Knowledge was my chief aim in life. Wealth and worldly possessions hardly mattered to me. What was the chief aim of his life? The main aim of his life was to get knowledge. So Prospero wanted to have the knowledge and the wealth and the worldly possessions, means the material wealth. ये जो दौलत वगैरह है, वर्ल्डली पोजीशन, वो दुनिया की जो ये ऐश व अशरत है, दुनिया की जो दौलत है, दुनिया की जो दौलत है, इट हार्डली मैटर्ड टू हिम, ये थोड़ा ही माने उसके लिए रखता था. तो उसका जो असल मकसद था, दैट वाज द टू गेट द नॉलेज. लीविंग द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ स्टेट अफेयर्स टू माई ब्रदर एंटोनियो, whose loyalty I never doubted, I devoted all my time to secret studies. Prospero told his daughter that he was the king of the Milan. Prospero decided to give this management of state affairs, यानी स्टेट का ये काम चलाओ जो था, क्योंकि ये बादशाह था. he decided to hand over this state management of state affairs to his brother Antonio. Name of the brother was Antonio, whose loyalty he never doubted, he never suspect on his loyalty, यानी उसकी वफादारी पर कभी शक नहीं करता था. and he devoted his all time for secret studies. Prospero devoted his all the time for secret studies. Meanwhile, he grew greedy for power and possession. What happened? Meanwhile, his brother grew greedy. He became greedy for worldly power and worldly possessions. दुनिया की power के लिए and possessions के लिए, दौलत के लिए. He bribed my ministers and plotted against me with my enemy. Means Antonio, his brother of Prospero, he bribed his ministers. उसके मिनिस्टरों को इसने रिश्वत दे दी. Bribe means रिश्वत. And plotted against him and have a conspiracy against him with his enemy. उसने साजिश की उसके दुश्मनों के साथ. The king of Naples. Naples is the nearby country, nearby state of Milan. So he had a conspiracy with them and he plotted against them, against him. One dark night, their soldiers took me out of my palace. What happened one day? This is basically Prospero telling the strange story of his life to his daughter. And he told him one dark night, एक रात को क्या हो गया? Their soldiers took him out of the palace. उनके जो soldiers थे, पुलिस वगैरह थी, उन्होंने उसको पैलेस मीन्स महल खाना, उसे बाहर निकाला. With you crying in my arms. He told his daughter that you were crying in his arms. Daughter, you were crying in his arms. आप उसकी बाजू में रो रही थी. They did not dare to kill us openly, so they don't have the courage to kill them openly. So they put us into an old and damaged ship. So they put Prospero and his baby daughter into an old and damaged ship, so that could hardly float. That ship was so damaged that could hardly float. वो मुश्किल से पानी पर तैरता था, float करता था. And let us to perish at sea. And they led Prospero and his daughter into the sea so that they will perish there. They will destroy the ship will destroy, the ship will drown, and automatically the father and the daughter, they will also drown in the sea. But there was a kind old lord named Gonzalo. But there was an old man in the dukedom, in the kingdom of Prospero. His name was Gonzalo. He was very much kind. वो बहुत ही रहमदिल था. Kind का opposite क्या आएगा? Cruel. He was loyal to me at heart. He says that he was loyal to Prospero at heart. यानी दिल से वो उसको चाहता था, and was not in favor of Antonio's plot. And he was not in favor of the Antonio's conspiracy. He secretly stored the ship with fresh water, food and clothes. Gonzalo secretly stored the ship. He put into the ship with some fresh water, पानी भी भर दिया, साफ पानी, food and clothes, गज़ा और कपड़े, and my precious books, and his precious books. And he put the secret books, the precious books of Prospero into that damaged ship, which I valued more than my dukedom. Prospero valued these books. These were very much valuable books for Prospero. Driven by favorable winds, we floated to this lonely island. So, driven by favorable winds, there was the favorable winds who drive their ship, this damaged ship, and they floated to this lonely island. इस तरह से वो इस ये जो अकेला आइलैंड है, लोनली आइलैंड है, इस पर पहुंच गए हैं. तो यही वाक़ा है कि हम इस आइलैंड पर पहुंचे हैं. But what is your reason for raising this tempest? Asked Miranda, who was still thinking of the drowning sailors. But Miranda is still thinking about the drowning sailors, the sailors who are drowning, and he told her father that what is the reason for raising this tempest? क्या वजह है आप इस tempest को raise कर रहे हैं? Because she was thinking still about these drowning sailors. Fortune has now begun to favor me, replied Prospero. Prospero told his daughter that luck has now favored him. luck is now favoring him. किस्मत जो है अब मेरा साथ दे रही है. The tempest has in a strange manner brought all my enemies to this island. They are in the ship you see. That he told his daughter that all my enemies are in the ship, and fortune has now begun. Uh, this tempest has brought my enemies into the sea, and you know all my enemies are in this ship who is drowning. For the present it is enough for you to know that much. And he told his daughter that this is the enough for you to know. ये काफ़ी है आपको जानने के लिए. Then Prospero touched Miranda gently with his magic wand, and she fell asleep. Now Prospero after that Prospero touched Miranda with his magic wand. जादुई लाठी से उसको थोड़ा सा टच किया, and she fell asleep, और वो सो गई. तो ये सेकंड सीन था प्यारे बच्चों. इसमें से थोड़ा सा हमने कल भी पढ़ा था. तो इसमें से कुछ डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं वो हमने यहाँ पर लिखे हैं. यू कैन सी द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड. स्ट्रेंज मीन्स पिक्यूलियर, ड्यूक मीन्स किंग, लॉयल्टी मीन्स फेथफुलनेस, डाउट मीन्स सस्पेक्ट शक करना, प्लॉट मीन्स कंस्पिरेसी साजिश करना, एनिमी हो गया दुश्मन, इसका साइनोनिम आएगा फुई. Dear means be brave. Perish means destroy. इसी तरह precious means valuable. Dukedom means kingdom. Fortune means luck. Ago means before. यहाँ है grow, grew, grown. Present, past participle. Give, gave, given. इसी तरह है antonyms में wise, foolish, beautiful, ugly, young, old, cruel, kind, loyal, disloyal, enemy, friend. तो ये कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं, एंटोनिम्स भी है. आप इनको याद रखिएगा. इंशाल्लाह कल हम देखेंगे इसमें नेक्स्ट थर्ड सीन में क्या होता है, प्रॉस्पेरो और मिरांडा का क्या हो जाता है. एंड वी विल सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग लेटर ऑन. What is happening with the ship को क्या हो रहा है, whether he will drown in the these cruel waves or it will be saved. ये हमें कल पता चलेगा. So I think this is sufficient for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.